Hi, my name is Dennis for Addictive Marketing, and this is 2023. And if you don't have any relevant digital skills right now, you are really killing yourself or setting yourself up for failure, and really that's the truth. So, what we're doing is we're putting together a 3-day masterclass on digital marketing where we teach you content creation, how you can create content, 3 months worth of content in 1 week. Two, advanced Facebook ads, how we also use Facebook and Instagram to get ads, get clients. And then we'll also teach you Google ads, YouTube ads. So by the time you have all of these skills, you know all of these things, you feel more confident to go out into the world, showcase your talent, showcase your skills, service, get clients for yourself, and you wouldn't really have to worry about salary, right? So, content creation, Facebook advertising, Google and YouTube ads. These are the three things you're going to learn in our 3-day masterclass. All right. So all you have to do is call the number on the screen or click the link below to sign up, get added to a WhatsApp group, and then the rest happens from there. So I look forward to seeing you. Peace.